Welcome to India's largest automated GST-ready distribution center at Mihan in Nagpur. FSC has built this engineered warehouse with high-end infrastructure to serve various retail formats of Future Group, selling apparel, home fashion, footwear and general merchandise products. Mihan DC has a sprawling footprint of around 400,000 square feet with an inventory storage capacity of over 12 million pieces and outbound throughput capacity of more than 400,000 units per day. Across all our businesses, Future Group anticipates significant growth in the coming years, and to enable this, we have made multiple investments in technology and automation. First, pioneering a put-to-light sorting system supported by a world-class warehouse management system that is now going to be replaced by a high-speed sorter for increasing the DC throughput by about 3 times to manage the future volumes. The state-of-the-art sortation system is developed by Bäumer Group from Germany. The cross-belt unit sorter is the heart of the system, having an incredible sorting capacity of 1 million units per day to 400 destinations at a time, using the 200 double-decker chutes. The case sorter is a linear sorter with 16 chutes capable of sorting over 40,000 cases per day. The sorters are connected to the various induction points in shelving and ground through a network of conveyors alongside a 12-meter high spiral conveyor, which is the tallest in the country. The conveyors span a length of over 2.5 kilometers that will expand to around 6 kilometers with the upcoming phase of inbound automation. The entire planning and controlling of the sorter operations along with maintenance is managed by the control room through the warehouse control and diagnostic systems. A typical day in the life of DC operations starts with the planning of batches to be picked and sorted. Each batch is a unique set of products assigned to various stores of a particular retail format. After a batch is activated for picking, pick tasks are generated and distributed among the pickers. To start the picking process, the picker takes a picking trolley available on the floor and places the bar-coded empty crates on it. A handheld radio frequency terminal directs the picker to the picking locations. He scans the location and product barcode, picking the displayed quantity into the crate, and completes the pick by scanning the crate barcode. When subsequent picks have filled the crate, it is closed by scanning and transferred to the nearest buffer location designated for this batch. When the batch is activated for sorting, the control room operators instruct the picking supervisor via walkie-talkie to start inducting the crates onto the conveyors on the picking floor. Along with picked items from storage, flow-through break-pack items that are received from vendors for the same batch are also inducted onto the conveyors. Conveyors follow the perimeters of the picking floors and bridges, crossing different zones. Progress on each batch is displayed on dashboards at various strategic points. Laser scanners are located at conveyor merge points to detect incorrect crates and provide real-time visibility of the batch status, enabling pre-sort intelligence. The top 3 flows drop down to meet the bottom 2 flows through a spiral conveyor, merging into a common conveyor leading to the sorter. The conveyor on the mezzanine then splits 2 ways to balance the load, feeding to the tipping and induction platforms located on opposite ends of the unit sorter. The tipper scans the crate to identify if it belongs to the active batch. He then decants the crate into one of the 4 induct stations and disposes the crate onto the empty crate conveyor. The induction operator places the item barcode upwards onto the induction conveyor using the wooden template for correct alignment. The items are then automatically inducted onto the unit sorter cross-belt tray, where an inline scanner marries each item to a tray. Using the batch and order data from the warehouse management system, the sorter control system assigns the items to a destination chute allocated to a store. The cross-belt tray discharges the item into the designated chute by using adaptive discharge timing to adjust the acceleration and deceleration of the cross-belt based on the item's position. When the sorting chamber is full, a pneumatic divider flap opens, releasing the items into the packing chamber. The destination full button glows to attract the packer to attend to the chute. The packer places an empty carton from the nearby empty carton conveyor onto the packing table, scans the barcode on the packing compartment and the carton label. He then opens the door of the chute and packs all the items into the carton. When all the items are packed, the packer closes the chute and scans the packing compartment barcode to confirm that packing is complete. The carton is taped and sealed, then pushed onto the takeaway conveyor underneath the chutes. Packed cartons are then conveyed to the print and apply system that automatically weighs them and prints and applies labels. Carton barcodes are scanned to capture order and destination details for the control system to print these on the shipping labels. The labeled cartons are then conveyed to the case sorter. The case sorter scans the labeled cartons and diverts them down the designated chute assigned to a group of stores. The full case cross-dock cartons received from vendors are moved from the inbound staging area and inducted on the conveyors near the dock that directs them to the case sorter. The operator scans and marries the cartons to a store pallet arranged alongside the chutes for later transfer to the outbound docks. Future Supply Chains has always been pioneering the combination of science and technology to continually reduce the time to market and cost to market. This new automation initiative will enable us to meet our objective to deliver best-in-class services to our customers. Thank you for being a part of Future Supply Chain's breakthrough journey that will definitely open new avenues for the young, emerging India. Namaste.